Arbeit software. Welcome to our crib. Here's our reception floor.
Hey Candace.
Hi. Now we're going into the kitchen. Hey Mike.
Oh, hey.
What are you doing?
Drinking a beer.
You know we're at work, right?
5 o'clock somewhere.
You're right. Good start to the day. All right. We'll catch you later in the sales room, Mike.
Of course.
Going to support. This should be interesting. Here we have our support floor. They hate us for being up here. They hate filming. They hate when I come up here and talk to them.
Very judgmental.
This is our conference room. What do you got going on here, Alonzo? Alright, we're gonna leave him be. Alright, here we are on the sales floor where everyone is right now. Here's our first office. AP, nice jacket.
Hey AP.
Rebecca. It's our sales director's office and our remote sales rep wearing his jacket. Go Bills. Go Bills. We're obviously big Bills fans here. All right. And of course, ping pong.
And Tracy.
Oh, and Tracy's office. The bright yellow office. And our last office is bright blue where no one is. This is our CEO's office. He's probably somewhere doing busy stuff.
Thanks, Scribe.
Now we're going to the patio area. Oh, look who I found. Our CEO who wasn't in his office.
Hello?
And that's it. I hope you liked our tour. Now get the hell out because we got to get back to work.